My beloved child, be still for a moment. Set aside the noise that has surrounded your thoughts and listen with an open heart. I have something important to remind you today. You have wondered if I still see you. You have questioned whether your prayers have reached me. In quiet moments, you have asked if I am truly near. Hear this truth. I have never been absent from your life. I have walked beside you through every victory you celebrated and every disappointment you hid behind a smile. I have watched every tear that no one else noticed and heard every prayer that never left your lips. Nothing about your journey has escaped my attention. Today is not an ordinary day. It is an invitation. I am inviting you to stop carrying what was never yours to bear alone. You have spent too much time believing that you must solve every problem, heal every wound, and hold yourself together through your own strength. That burden has become heavy because you were never created to carry it by yourself. Bring it to me. Bring me your fears about tomorrow. Bring me your regrets from yesterday. Bring me the questions that keep you awake at night. Bring me the dreams you have nearly given up on. You do not have to clean yourself up before coming into my presence. Come as you are. I already know your heart, and my love has not changed. There are places within you that have become guarded because life has been difficult. Broken promises, unexpected losses, and painful memories have taught you to build walls around your heart. You believe those walls will protect you, but they have also kept peace from entering. I am not asking you to become fearless overnight. I am asking you to trust me with one step at a time. Every sincere prayer draws you closer. Every act of faith, no matter how small, becomes a beginning of something greater than you can imagine. Do not mistake my silence for absence. There have been seasons when I appeared quiet because I was working beneath the surface. Just as a seed grows unseen before it breaks through the ground, many of my greatest works begin where human eyes cannot see them. I have been preparing opportunities you cannot yet recognize. I have been strengthening your character for blessings that require wisdom. I have been protecting you from paths that would have led to greater pain. One day you will look back and understand that what felt like delay was actually mercy. Trust my timing. The world encourages hurry, but my work is often accomplished through patience. Growth takes time. Healing takes time. Restoration takes time. Yet every moment you place in my hands is never wasted. Lift your eyes beyond today's struggle. Your story is not ending where you are standing now. Hope still has a future. Joy still has a place in your life. Peace is still available to you. My promises have not expired. When anxiety whispers that you are alone, remember that I remain faithful. When disappointment tells you to give up, remember that I am still writing your story. When fear says the future is uncertain, remember that I already stand in every tomorrow you have yet to see. Walk with confidence, not because every answer has been revealed, but because the one guiding your steps never loses his way. Spend time with me each day. Speak honestly. Listen quietly. Let my truth shape your thoughts more than the opinions of the world. As you draw near, your heart will discover a peace that circumstances cannot steal. You are deeply loved. You are seen. You are not forgotten. Even now, I am opening doors of hope where you expected only disappointment. I am planting courage where fear once lived and restoring strength where weariness has taken root. Do not lose heart. Keep believing. Keep praying. Keep walking forward in faith. The journey ahead may still contain challenges, but you will not face them alone. My presence will go before you, remain beside you, and sustain you through every season. Receive my peace today. Receive my grace. Receive my unfailing love. I have never stopped calling your name, and I never will. Walk with me, and together we will step into the future I have prepared for you. My child. Stop right now and listen to me. I have been waiting for you, not just for a minute, not just for a day, but for so long. If you're seeing this right now, it is not by accident. You did not stumble here by chance. I guided you. I drew you. I arranged this moment long before you ever realized you would need it. Please do not scroll away. Do not turn your eyes from this. Open this and make my heart smile. I am asking you gently, but I am also asking you urgently. Do it now. I am speaking to you as the one who formed you, who has loved you before you ever knew my name. There are no accidents in my kingdom. Nothing slips through my hands unnoticed. The fact that your eyes are reading these words at this exact second means something. I planned this. I prepared this. I waited for this moment when your heart would be soft enough to hear me clearly. You may think this is random, but I tell you the truth. This is divine timing. For so long, I have watched you walk through days filled with noise and distraction. I have seen you carry burdens you were never meant to carry alone. I have seen you smile in public while feeling empty in private. I have heard your quiet sighs. I have felt the ache in your spirit when you wondered if I was close. I was always close, closer than your breath, closer than your thoughts. But I have been waiting for you to open the door fully. My child, when I say open it, music, I am not speaking about something outside of you. I am speaking about your heart. There is a place inside you that you have kept closed, not because you do not love me, but because you are afraid. Afraid of being disappointed again, afraid of surrendering control, afraid that if you give me everything, you might lose something you think you need. I understand your fear. I see it clearly, but I am not asking to take from you. I am asking to give to you. I have been waiting so long for this moment, waiting for you to pause, waiting for you to listen, waiting for you to stop running from the very love that would heal you. Do you know how much it means to me when you turn toward me willingly? When you whisper my name not out of habit, but out of hunger? Heaven rejoices when you lean in. You have searched for peace in many places. You have tried to fill the quiet with noise. You have tried to fill the ache with activity. But the emptiness you feel is not meant to be filled by the world. It is